Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are back at our weekly spot. We are back at the pub, about to get into some really good, quick and easy deals. So you know how I do around here. We're not going to waste any time. Let's jump right into this goodness. Because I want this video to go up at a decent time, I am not going to be doing a big haul in this video. I'm just going to be walking through a lot of the best deals. One deal that I'm not going to be able to do at this store for sure is on this wild sold salsa. So this store that I'm at does not carry this item. The store up the street does, but I don't feel like driving over there. But if you need some salsa, definitely clip this offer on aisle. These Propel 6-pack along with the Gatorade 6-packs are actually buy one get one this week. So my store is not tagged on this little display, but they are buy one get one. And lots of the boxes have these $3 off peelies off of 2 packs on them. So if your store has these, look for these little displays. If you don't see them on a regular shelf, then you can save $3 off, making these just $1.25 a pack. Now I'm definitely grabbing this deal on the Magnum this week because I just ran out of these big Magnum bars. These are buy one get one for $5.99. We are going to pick up a total of 2 boxes for $5.99. I printed off these $1 off printable coupons today from the Magnum emails. If you're signed up for their emails, go into those emails and print off 2 of these $1 coupons. If you're not signed up, then sign up so that you can get some coupons. These are going to leave you to pay $3.99 for 2 boxes at the register. Then we're going to submit back for $1 total back on Vet Reward, so 50 cents back on each box. It's going to make final cost $2.99 for 2 boxes, or just $1.49 per box. We have an awesome price on toaster strudels. These are buy one get one for $3.49. You want to pick up 2 boxes and then check to see what digital coupons you have clipped. I actually have 2 $1 off coupons clipped for these, so that'll leave me to pay just $1.49 for 2 boxes, or just 75 cents a piece. We have a really good deal on Blue Bunny. I already have quite a bit of this in my freezer, so I'm going to pass on this deal, but it is definitely a stock up price. These are buy one get one. You can get the cones, which I love. I already have these in my freezer, or you can get the pints that are a little bit cheaper. So you want to pick up 2 of them for $4.89. Shopkick is going to give you back a total of $2.60 in kicks on 2. And then we also have 75-cent printable coupons they just sent out for the 4th. Good on any Blue Bunny item. I would use 2 of those. That'll make final cost 79 cents for 2, or about 40 cents each. Next that we're grabbing is on the Silk Milk. So these are on sale 2 for $6, and how cheap this deal is really just depends on which Ibotta offer you have, because there's 2 different ones out there. So I will give you the more expensive one first. If you have this $1 off of 2 rebate, what's going to happen is you're going to pick up 2 of these for $6. Use your 2 off of 2 digital coupon. That'll bring you down to $4. After you get that $1 back, these will be $1.50 each, or $3 for both. Now, if you have this $1.25 back on each offer, then what you want to do is pick up 2 of these for $6. Use that 2 off of 2 digital coupon. After you get $2.50 back from Ibotta, then these will be just 75 cents each. The Chicken of the Sea wild caught tuna is on sale. These pouches for $1 a piece, and we have a 30-cent Ibotta rebate that's going to make these just 70 cents each, which is in stock up price for sure. Barney peanut butter is on sale for $3.99 right now. We do have a $2 off digital coupon that'll make these only $1.29. I actually want to try this brand, so I'm going to go on ahead and grab one. This Bashan's Japanese barbecue sauce is buy one get one for $8.99. We have a couple different flavors that you can find this rebate for on Ibotta for $2 in cash back. So if you want to pick up 2 of those, like this citrus one is included, you'll get a total of $4 back on Ibotta. They're buy one get one for $8.99. So that'll make final cost on these $2.49 per bottle. This week, the Quaker Rice Crisp are on sale for buy one get one for $2.49. So if you live in Florida and you need to pick up 2 bags, it'll end up being $1.49 for 2 bags with this $1 digital coupon. That makes them 75 cents per bag. If you live in a state other than Florida, you can just pick up 1 bag if you want to for $1.25. Use your $1 digital coupon and pay 25 cents for the bag. The Margaret Home canned vegetables along with the Glory vegetables are on sale for $1. So that is 50% off the regular price. We don't have any coupons for those, but that is a good deal if you like these brands. Another 10 for 10 deal is on this Gimme roasted seaweed snack. So these are on sale for $1 as well. The regular price on these is $2.39 here. So that's actually a pretty good price if you like them. Not tag, these are actually in the wrong spot, but lots of these Lysol cleaners are on sale for $1.99 right now on an unadvertised sale. But if you pick them up, you can scan them in the app and you can see that $1.99 pricing. And then if you still have your 75-cent digital coupon, just one of these will be $1.24. We have some decent deals on paper towels this week if you need some. So the Brawny is on sale for $9.99 for the 6 = 12. If you still have this donation sheet, we have that $2 off coupon in there. That'll make it $7.99 for this pack. Or you could get this Big Dog Sparkle, which I think I'm more interested in. This is $9.99 with our $1 digital coupon. It'll be $8.99 for 10 double rolls, which is not bad at all. Now let's grab a deal on the Arm & Hammer. These are back on sale for buy one, get one this week. So we're gonna do, this is another old system deal. We're gonna grab one of these for $5.99 BOGO. If you still have that 5 off of 20 threshold coupon, this will be the first item I'm gonna get. Now another option that you could grab this week that's unique if you're tired of the Arm & Hammer is you can pick up 2 of these OxyClean color boosts. So I'm not gonna grab these. I am actually gonna grab one of these babies down here, but this is a good deal as well. So you just want to grab $20 worth. That'll be $20.60 before your coupon. After your coupon, you'll be down to $10.29 minus that 5 off of 20 coupon. You'll end up paying $5.29 for 2 of these. I'm actually going to get one of these big tubs instead. I prefer this powder for $14.19 buy one get one. So this is going to be a half BOGO deal only because I am buying 2 different buy one get one items, but this is going to total up to $20.18. We're only going to pay half of that because of the sale. Minus that $5, it's going to be $5.09 for each one of these, or like $2.54 a piece. So we got a lot going on in this vitamin section, including some really good clearance that I want to go ahead and show you guys. The first thing that stood out to me was this iron. So these babies right here are on clearance for $3.19 at my store, and we have $2 back on Ibotta that'll make these only $1.19 for this iron. I think that's a pretty good price because this is normally $9.99 here. Some more really good clearance that we have this week is on the Osteo Biflex. So these are priced as low as $7.67. Normal price is $23.99 on this one. Normal price is $25.99 on this one, and it's priced at $8.31. I don't have any coupons, but if you use that product, you know that's a really good price for that. My mom uses it, so I may get that for her. And then we also have the Cosamine down here that is normally $30 on clearance for $9.59. These Nature's Truth vitamins are also a really good deal. So these are priced for $4.99. That's the lowest price at my store. On a lot of the bottles, you will find $2 coupons. So after that coupon, you will pay $2.99 at the register, but then you can also submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back per bottle. That'll make these just $1.75. And then we're definitely grabbing the Vitafusion this week. So if you live in a state other than Florida, you can pick up just one for $5.75. Use your $3 digital coupon at the register. You'll have to pay out $2.75, but then you can submit over to Ibotta for $2, making one of these, if you grab like this D3, just 75 cents. And then I noticed that we also have a $4 offer for this particular iron supplement on checkout 51. Now, when I scan this on Swagbucks, it's not attaching to this particular one that I have, but I'm still going to try to submit it on checkout 51 because it seems like it should match. So we're going to see if I get this $4 back, because if so, these will be $3.99 plus a moneymaker. My favorite deal this week is definitely on the Neutrogena makeup wipes because I use these. But the thing about this deal is actually going to get better on Saturday. So I'm going to tell you why. Now, it's good now, but it's going to be great on Saturday. But I already did it because I wanted to test it out, because y'all know how I roll. I like to make sure that stuff works before I send you up to the register to do it. And it worked out beautifully. So what I did is I picked up a total of 5 of these Neutrogena makeup wipes that are $6.29. When you pick up one this week, you're going to instantly save $3 off at the register. These are on sale for $3 off, so they're already going to be just $3.29. But if you still have your 10 off of 30 digital coupon that we use, a lot of us on the Listerine, if you still have those left, then this deal gets really good when you pick up $30 worth. So that's why we're going to pick up 5. So we are picking up a total of 5 of these. That totals up to $31.45, so that we can save that $10 with that 10 off of 30 coupon. So we're going to save $15 with a $3 off sale, and then we're saving $10 with that coupon. At the register, you guys, we're just going to pay $6.45 for 5 packs. When that is divided up, these are just $1.29 each, which is a great price for these. Now, the reason why I said this deal is going to get better on Saturday, now I already did it to test it, but I would come back and do it again on Saturday because it's going to be a moneymaker, is because our Activate Rewards for these products is coming back on Saturday with the new extra savings flyer. And shout out to my sis Coupon with T for sending me the image. I'm going to show you guys what she sent me. That rebate is coming back on Saturday. So if you wait until Saturday to do this deal, you're picking up $30 worth. You can get back $10, which is going to turn this deal into a $3.55 moneymaker with Activate Rewards. So if you want this deal to be a moneymaker, you can go ahead and hold till Saturday when that rebate comes out, because if you do it now, you won't be able to submit that receipt because it's going to have a date before the 12th. So your choice on how you want to work this, but either way, these are an awesome deal this week. Definitely my favorite deal of the week. And with this deal, also remember that your store has to be on the old system to get that credit for the $30 before the sale. If your store has a register that looks like this, then this is not going to work out right for you. But if your register looks like this, you are good to go, and this deal is going to be fantastic. And here is my receipt for the Neutrogena deal, just so you can see how everything worked out at the register. It went so easy. So I just scanned out the 5 items, typed in my phone number while she was scanning them. When she pressed total, that $10 came off, making everything $6.45. So a really good deal on these Neutrogena wipes if you want to grab them. The Nature Valley protein and the reduced sugar granola, which is actually pretty good. This is one of my favorite granolas. I'm not going to grab it because I don't need it. Is on sale for buy one get one for $5.99. So when you pick up 2 of these, if you have these $1 digital coupons clipped, you can grab 2 bags for $3.99 or $1.99 per bag. And then of course you also want to scan and fetch rewards to see what you have there. Lots of these organic cereals are also on markdown. So like this Nature's Path is $2.35 on clearance. The Puffins is $2.99 on clearance. And these Nature Paths are $2.27 and $2.99. Now when it comes to protein bars, Bear Bells are elite. These are really good. They almost take like candy bars to me, you guys, but they are buy one get one, so just $1.60 per bar this week. So that is a really good price on these because they are normally $11 for a 4-pack here. So if you like these, definitely grab them now. The Tabasco Salsa Picante, which is actually pretty good, is buy one get one for $3 right now. And we do have 75 cents back on Ibotta with a limit of 5, so you could pick up to 5 of these. If you grab 2 and get $1.50 back from Ibotta, these will be just 75 cents each. And we don't have a Ibotta rebate for these regular sauces, these pepper sauces, but they are also buy one get one, so just $1.75 each for these if you want to grab these as well. Next deal we're grabbing is on the Egglands Best. So these are not on sale, but this deal got even better than it was last week. So if you want to grab the quiche, those are now a moneymaker because we have a new Shopkick offer for these. Or if you want to grab the omelets, you can do those as well. If you grab the quiche, those are a better deal. You can pick up 2 of those for $5.89. You'll get back $4 total from Ibotta, $5 total from Swag Bucks, and $3.72, which is 930 kicks back from Shopkick. It'll make your final cost a 94-cent profit because that is $12.72 back. I'm going to grab the omelets instead, and we only have $1 back on Ibotta for the omelet, so $2 for both. That's gonna make my cost for the omelets 26 cents for 2 boxes, which is still not bad. These have really good reviews online, so I want to try them. Next that we're grabbing is on the Springer Mountain Farms chicken. So we're gonna grab 2 bags of these for $4.99, buy one get one. We'll use 2 of the $1.50 printable coupons, and that'll leave us to pay $1.99 for both bags at the register, or 99 cents. The store that I'm at does not carry the single bottles of the Jove or Jove water, however you say this, Jove water. These right here, the single bottles, is what you want to look for. We have a brand new aisle rebate, so this is a brand new one, not the old one, for a free bottle of one of these that you want to submit back for, and we still also have the 50 cents back on Ibotta. So that's going to make a final cost on one bottle free plus a 50-cent moneymaker if your store carries it. That is all the Publix deals I have for you for this week. Let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. If you like shopping at Publix, I would love to have you here. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye.